Best deals.
1. Idli cooker. Spill-proof efficiency. Tight sealing lids lock in steam, prevent spills, and ensure even cooking for consistent, restaurant-quality results. Effortless cleanup. Dishwasher safe. Detachable plates and a smooth stainless steel body make cleaning quick and hassle-free. Compact and stylish. Sleek, space-saving design blends into any kitchen while retaining a classic aesthetic. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron fry pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Tadka pan. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, offering safe and convenient handling while cooking. Crafted from high-quality iron. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Grilling stand. Is made of pure stainless steel, no worries about any toxic chemical substance into your food, provide you a safer and healthier using experience. The spaced wire help clean easily, dishwasher safe to save your time and labor, rack with the smooth wire and mirror finish design for less sticky. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Container. This tope is strong, durable and convenient to clean and wash. Dishwasher safe exterior adds versatility and functionality. Sure to serve you well for a long time, this item is an ideal pick against your valuable currency. Mirror finish adds style to your kitchen to look more beautiful and well decorated. Compact size makes it easy to store in kitchen cupboards. When not in use, stack the smaller container inside bigger containers, saving storage space, designed and fabricated with compliance with industry standards. This cookware is manufactured under strict quality control. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Casserole. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Once the molten metal hardens, the mold is opened and the die-cast pan is removed. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Kadai. The kadai features a 3-layer construction, with an inner layer made of food-grade SS304 stainless steel for healthy cooking, a middle layer of encapsulated aluminum for even heat distribution, induction and gas-friendly. Designed for faster and more efficient cooking, the tri-ply technology features a thick aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. This ensures even heat distribution with no hot spots, allowing food to cook up to faster. The triple E construction ensures even heating, preventing burns and stubborn stains. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Canister. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh for longer. Locks in flavor and aroma, ideal for dry snacks, cereals, pulses, tea, or coffee. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dough maker. Made of food-grade silicone and BPA-free, kneading tools are available to prevent dust from splashing everywhere. It's reusable, so wash it and can be reused for storage purpose. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Iron pan. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Whether searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or preparing pancakes and eggs, the pan is perfectly sized for most stovetop cooking tasks. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Molds. Is made with high quality and durable stainless steel material. The material of this mold is rust-free and does not tarnish with passage of time. These round baking and steaming molds are easy to clean, which can be cleaned conveniently in dishwasher or hand washing. Molds are ideal choice for baking cupcakes, muffins and pancakes. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tea infuser. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Tea infusers typically allow more room for tea leaves to expand compared to tea bags, resulting in a fuller and more robust flavor profile. We have different type of tea infusers such as ball infusers, basket infusers, leaf infuser, pincer strainer. You can adjust the amount of tea leaves and steeping time to suit your preferences. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dosa tawa. This cookware is ultra-conductive and corrosion-resistant. Its granite coating and flat, thick skillet bottom offer exceptional heat distribution to ensure even cooking and prevent hot spots. Overall, this cookware offers quick heating, thus using less energy. Cook a variety of healthy, delicious recipes for Indian households using this non-stick cookware set from Amazon Basics. It requires very little oil and cooks evenly and quickly without using much power. The cookware is 3.5 mm thick with ideal weight distribution throughout the material for comfortable handling. This heavy-duty cast iron cookware is easier to lift, flip and handle for daily cooking without sacrificing heat retention. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cookware. Permanently riveted and silicone-covered stainless steel handles. Mirror polished finish outside and emery finish inside for a classy appearance, and it is metal utensil safe. Designed with user comfort in mind, each piece features ergonomically designed handles for a secure grip, allowing you to cook with confidence. Cleaning up is a breeze. The non-stick surface requires minimal effort to wipe clean, ensuring your cookware looks as good as new after every use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Spin mop. Features 2 separate compartments to keep clean and dirty water apart, so you are always mopping with fresh, clean water. The 360 degrees rotating mop head easily cleans under furniture like sofas, tables. The square-shaped design is perfect for reaching hard-to-clean spots like wall edges and corners. The compact bucket size makes it easy to move wherever you need. Sleek design to fit into closets or small storage areas. Easily adjust the pole to your preferred height. The pole extends up to 135 cm, providing flexibility. Made with high-grade stainless steel and plastic material to withstand daily use, while looking stylish. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Turntable. Perfect solution for your guests' needs and for your own peace of mind. With its patented design, this extra large will make it easy for everyone to help themselves to their favorite dish. A great invention for the home. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Towel rack. Made from sturdy, rust-resistant metal for long-lasting use in humid bathroom environments. Saves floor space while keeping towels and essentials neatly organized and within reach. Ideal for hanging towels, robes, loofahs, clothes, or bathroom accessories. Sleek design complements most bathroom decor styles. Simple wall mount setup, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Pan. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like paneer tikka, chicken curry, pasta, stir-fried veggies and many more. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Ice pop makers. Are made of durable high-quality plastic, can be used again and again in the freezer for years to come, reducing waste. Ice pop maker designed for easy removal, and popsicles can store individually in the freezer to save space. and the smartly designed shape make it easy for frozen pop to slide out of mold. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Container box. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance, rust resistance, and easy maintenance for years of use. The sleek, polished stainless steel finish adds a sophisticated, contemporary touch to your kitchen decor while resisting stains, odors, and fingerprints. Perfect for storing dry goods, snacks, pasta, rice, flour, or even leftovers. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Blender. Made of food-grade stainless steel, durable, never worry about bending or breaking for regular use. Easy to clean, just clean in soapy water, rinse and pat dry. Hand whisk uses the spring principle that no batteries or electricity required. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Chopping board. The matte finish resists kitchen knife marks and scratches, keeping the surface clean, smooth, and looking brand new over time. Ideal for cutting vegetables, fruits, making sandwiches, kneading dough, and other kitchen tasks. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Lunch box. Made from high-quality, durable materials that ensure safety, hygiene, and long-lasting performance for everyday meals. Separate compartments prevent mixing of flavors, while the strong four-sided lock and silicone ring ensure a tight, leak-proof seal. An independent sealed soup bowl with a handle for easy drinking, and a functional lid that doubles as a mobile phone holder for added convenience. Built with high-quality stainless steel and a secure locking lid, this lunch box withstands daily use and travel. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Hamburger press. Is made of 304 stainless steel, food-grade and rust-proof. The edges of the burger press are edged for smoother and high-quality sturdy materials that are durable and easy to make burgers. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Microfiber cloth. Offer versatility for use in various settings, from your car to the kitchen, ensuring a spotless clean every time. With their reusable and washable design, these clothes are eco-friendly and cost-effective, providing long-term cleaning solutions for your home and beyond. Made from premium microfiber material, these towels are highly absorbent, allowing you to tackle spills and messes with ease, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Storage organizer. This kitchen and bathroom organizer height reaches 5 inches and can hold most bottles even in the bottom layer. With it, the messy place is immediately organized, and all kinds of scattered stuffs find their proper place. It can be easily assembled within 2 minutes by connecting 4 support tubes to the baskets. No tools required. It will not break the furniture or wall without hole-punching installation. The baskets are made of high-quality ABS plastic materials. 4 support tubes adopt spray painting and thickening wrought iron body, good rust prevention and supporting heavy. Organizer is hollowed out, and the bottom tier is raised, which ensure ventilation and no water accumulation, especially suitable for use in bathrooms and kitchens. It is great to use it as kitchen organizer, bathroom storage organizer, kitchen cabinet organizer. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Glass jar. The airtight spice containers is made of high-quality scratch-free glass. These glass jars come in a round shape with airtight silicone gasket clip-top lid that makes it look fashionable and seals the items within tight. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Trolley. Maximize your kitchen space with this 5-tier vegetable storage stand, perfect for organizing onions, potatoes, fruits, and kitchen essentials in one place. Designed for effortless movement, this vegetable trolley features smooth rolling wheels, allowing you to shift it anywhere in your home or kitchen. Made from high-quality steel, this vegetable rack for kitchen ensures stability and long-lasting durability, making it a sturdy kitchen rack stand for daily use. Use it as a kitchen vegetable storage rack, fruit stand, pantry organizer, or household trolley to store everything from groceries to kitchenware conveniently. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Tumbler. This tumbler features advanced leak-proof technology with a secure, tight sealing lid and a straw, perfect for enjoying hot or cold drinks without spills, wherever you go. Double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot for up to 12 hours and cold for up to 12, perfect as your all-season coffee or water tumbler. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it's designed for safe, worry-free hydration every day. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Borosilicate glass jar. Featuring an airtight pay lid, these glass containers help keep foods fresh by preventing moisture loss and blocking external odors. Constructed from sturdy soda glass with a temperature resistance range of -10 to 80 degrees Celsius, these containers can withstand daily use in the kitchen or pantry. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Soup maker. 6-in-1 multifunctional soup maker helps to make vegetable juices, milkshakes, smoothies, milks, cocktails, baby purees and more. 6 preset cooking functions: smooth, chunky, compote, jam, reheat, blend. Automatic blending and heating. High-speed extraction blade with stainless steel blades makes fresh soup within 25 minutes whenever you want. Its smart processing system extracts the full nutritional value from each grain, ensuring that no vitamin or mineral ever goes to waste. Comes with 900 watts powerful copper motor. One-touch operation. Simply add your ingredients, then press the start button. Just add chopped vegetables and water, select the function of consistency as per your choice, and your soup will be ready in a jiffy. No need to stir and monitor. The soup maker retains all essential fibers inside your soup, thus enhancing your family's health quotient. With an elegant touch control panel, program indicator lights, audio notifications, intelligent control systems which prevent dry burning and an overfill sensor, this soup maker is fully equipped to give you a delightful experience. 304 food-grade stainless steel jug and blades provide complete food safety and a strong body, which will last for a long time. The soup maker heats, boils, blends and mixes automatically to give you a perfect, tasty and healthy soup within 20 minutes. Product link is given in the 31st link.